Hey future agripreneurs, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of selecting the perfect hydroponic system for your business. I'm excited to share my personal experiences and insights to help you make the right choice. But remember, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and let's get growing. Ever dream of having a garden in your room that not only looks cool but also can make you some money? Well, today we'll cover 3 categories of hydroponic systems to consider for your hydroponic business. The 3 types of systems we'll cover today is a do-it-yourself, a vertical, and a horizontal hydroponic system. A key note to remember is that the cost associated with each system reflects the overall cost to start your hydroponic business and not just the gross system by itself. The next video, Step 2, Develop Your Business Plan, will show a complete list of equipment for each system that reflects the cost that is needed to get your business up and running. So let's kick things off with the DIY approach, the hydroponic bin system. This cost-effective solution is fantastic for beginners. For around $1,200, you can set up 2 compact hydroponic stations right at home with a total production capacity of 36 to 44 plants. It's ideal for growing leafy greens, peppers to full maturity. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Let's cover the pros. It's budget friendly. You won't break the bank with it. It also has a high production value. It can grow an upward of 44 plants per cycle within a 2x4 space. It also grows a large variety of produce efficiently. Now let's talk about the cons. It's not automated. There's no app or AI system to help you with the ongoing management. And it's kind of an eyesore. It doesn't look too pretty. Mom might not like it in the living room. Overall, if you want a system that you can pay back easily while you learn your business, this is the one. The low cost gives you an opportunity to make some mistakes while still making money to pay back your loan. It's not pretty, but it will get the job done. Now, if you're into a modern space-saving design, tower hydroponics might be your jam. Picture a vertical garden like the garden system, bringing a touch of the future to your home. For $2,000, you can get your business up and running with 1 vertical tower and a total production capacity of 30 plants. With the tower, you get your own personal assistant, Kelby, an AI-powered function that monitors your garden and optimizes production by automatically adjusting your garden's light and water schedule to ensure the best growing conditions for your plants based on their development. If you don't have a lot of time to devote to your plants, garden might be the right way to go. Personal experience with this system is if you plan on farming lettuce, then you should only use a compact variety. Plants show signs of stress when crowded. This system is best for ongoing harvest that keeps the plant small. The system is also good for cherry tomatoes, herbs, and strawberry production as it does not take a lot of space in the tower. So let's look at some of the pros. The space efficiency, it's perfect for small spaces. It's also very user-friendly, minimum setup, and easy to use AI assistant Kelby. My favorite feature is its visual appeal. It has a futuristic and sleek design. It also has cameras for you to record and share the growth of your plants with your customers. Now let's cover some of the cons. The first one is the cost. The initial investment and ongoing operating cost is expensive. The company charges a lot for everything. You cannot use your credits obtained from your membership for anything other than plant food and plants. If your business is leafy green production, then it's a challenge. Not enough space for lettuce to grow large without developing stress-related issues. It is also set up so you basically have to pay the membership, which is extremely pricey to use all the bells and whistles. If you have more than 1 unit, you have to pay additional membership at the same price, which can hurt a young agripreneur like yourself. Overall, if you want a system that takes minimum effort and you plan on producing compact lettuce varieties or strawberries or tomatoes, then the garden's for you. The unit is eye-pleasing and has a great online presence when marketing your business on social media. Now, let's think horizontal. The Rise Garden flips the script, bringing a garden to your home in a horizontal layout. It's like having a mini farm right inside. For approximately $1,800, you can grow 36 leafy greens on 3 levels that are large and enticing to your customers. It has smart features throughout its system like Wi-Fi connectivity, automatic lighting, and a smart nutrient guide all through its app. Its overall functionality rivals the garden system and produces large, beautiful plants like the DIY system. On top of that, it's not an eyesore, and your mom wouldn't mind it in your living room. If you want to increase your production by creating a secondary seating site, the square design of the net cups and pods will be a challenge, unlike the other systems that use a 2-inch net cups and pods. Well, let's cover the pros. The overall versatility of this model, that it grows a variety of plants, including some root vegetables, is awesome. It's also very user friendly. It's easy to access and manage. Less cleaning is needed in comparison to the vertical system. The system doesn't require membership to use its full capabilities either. And it's very stylish. It fits seamlessly into your living space. Here are some of the cons that I see. Is the footprint. It requires more floor space than the vertical model. Also, the high cost for the pods, which can be very bad for your overall per unit production cost. So, which one speaks to you? The DIY innovator, the space-saving tower lover, or the stylish farmer with a horizontal twist? Each has its pros and cons, but the key is finding the one that fits your space, style, and business model. And remember, this is just the beginning of your hydroponic adventure. Stay tuned for the next step where we'll dive into creating a business plan for your budding hydroponic empire. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and let us know in the comments which system you're leaning towards. Happy growing, agripreneurs!